I am powerful.
I am powerful.
I am strong.
I am strong.
I am prosperous.
I am prosperous.
Financially,
Financially,
spiritually,
spiritually,
physically,
physically,
and emotionally.
and emotionally.
Breathe in positive energy. Breathe out negative energy. I repeat after me. I am.
I am.
This is
This is
my new truth.
my new truth.
So I want you to take three deep breaths with me. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're going to breathe in new love. We're going to breathe out bad poison. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. We are detoxifying the heart. Breathe in. Breathe out. So right now what we're doing is we're using both energies, dual energy, to help the heart come back together. A lot of times we say our heart is broken, right? That's a common saying. Well, it's emotionally broken, but it's physically still there, but emotionally and spiritually it's in different pieces. So by actually accessing the heart chakra, we're able to put the heart back together again through Reiki. And also use the universal energy to mend the heart and also to heal it from within.